What's going on in here? Randy Ryan? You gonna pretend like that's where you're supposed to be? You supposed to be reading your Spider-Man book right now? Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Quit pretending like you're sleeping. It's not even the bed you're supposed to be in. Get over it. Get your butt in your crib. Look at Mama. Hey, lay down. Look at Mama. Randy. Randy. Say night-night. Say night-night. Night-night, Mr. Hiccups. Mwah. Jaden, put your book down. Put it down. You're not going to sleep with it. Can't see in the dark. Anyways, give me a stupid book. Lay down. Say night-night. Night-night. You're a punk. Lay down. Lay down. Night-night.